Hello, welcome to week 14. So we are in the midst of week 14, April 22nd to April 28th. So I did want to just go over a couple things. So we are done with the textbook. This week we're going to focus on the project presentation. So I've had several questions regarding the project presentations. My recommendation is to use Microsoft PowerPoint. These presentations do need to have voice as well as your presentation slides. So I understand with this being a online course that there will be some transitions between slides. So I will not be taking points off for any type of transition. So if you have everybody in your group record 3 slides, for example, and there's slight transitions between those slides, that is perfectly fine. Typically what you can do is you can actually record those presentation slides per slide. And that's what I'd recommend you do. Do your recording per slide. And then that way you can put those together a lot easier. If you have questions, please let me know sooner than later, because we are on a very tight time frame for this particular week. So for this week, you are going to present your project. You're going to complete your weekly reflection. You're going to do your feedback on your classmates' presentation. So here's the key dates you need to remember for this week. So your presentations are due by Friday, the 26th. You will have, and then the presentations are due. I will post all the presentations. You will have them to come back to this page. I'll post them in the page on up here on your weekly introductions, updates, and notes. I will be posting each of the presentations there. And so what you will do is you will go in and you will watch those presentations and provide your feedback. That is due by Sunday. So there's a tight timeline in that it's due on Friday. They're all due by midnight. I will post them bright and early Saturday morning. So you'll have all day Saturday, all day Sunday to do the feedback. You'll have your reflection and then your peer review. Now on your peer review, please know that the only people that are going to see that peer review is yourself and me. That's it. Nobody else is going to see that. So please provide your honest feedback. This is an opportunity for you to let me know that everybody equally participated in the project. If they did not, then I have the opportunity to make the grades reflect the participation. If you do not tell me, I will never know. And so if you feel that the work was not divided equally, this is your chance to do so. And again, I have the team project information expectations if you want to go over that one last time for your presentation as well as your the format of it. You can find that information here. If you do have any other questions that are not covered here or I didn't bring up in this short video, please email me, please call me and let me know so that I can get your questions answered and you can succeed on week 14. Thanks so much and have a fabulous week. I do want to let you know that just really quickly, next week is when you will be doing your final exam. So that again is due on May 3rd. But I do want to just quickly bring that up that is next week, and then that is the end of this course already. So the last, this course has flown by as they typically do. So have a great week. Let me know what questions you have. Thanks so much. Bye.